welcome to the Go Factory Summer Essentials Meet, presented and supported by Nanolink PH. And we're here at the beautiful AGC Lifestyle Park at Versailles, Alabang. Thank you for joining us today as we try to unveil the first ever Nanolink PH product.
Kasi passion yan eh. So ang sarap na nakikita mo yung mga tao na may parehong passion sa'yo, na nagmi-meet kayo, walang bayad, walang away. You just talk about cars and your hobbies. That's it.
One of the best parts that I could consider is, of course, yung bond with the fellow enthusiasts. So yung car group kasi naging marami yan. But the bond, pagka nagkakaroon ng mga meet, is simply yung network mo doon lumalawak ang lumalawak. At the same time, kung akala mo na okay na yung kotse mo setup, mas marami ka pang matututunan. In other words, mas marami pang budol.
Nanolink PH is here. Nanolink is the gigafactory which produces, if not accurately, 90% of the world's paint protection film.
Yes.
Face running up.